A single spruce in Sweden, famously named Old Tjikko, is over 9,560 years old. Its visible trunk is relatively young, but its root system has cloned itself for millennia. The Methuselah tree, a bristlecone pine, has silently watched history unfold for over 4,850 years. Its exact location remains a closely guarded secret to protect it from any damage. In Iran, the Sarvia Barku cypress boasts an estimated age of 4,500 years, revered as a national monument. Some dragon's blood trees on Yemen's Socotra Island bleed a striking crimson, resinous sap. This remarkable sap has been used for dyes, traditional medicine, and even varnish for centuries. The Pando clone in Utah is a single, quaking aspen organism spanning 106 acres. Its vast, interconnected root system makes it the largest known organism by mass, weighing 6,000 tons. These living giants remind us of Earth's incredible biodiversity and unparalleled resilience.